The judgment on local government autonomy have just been delivered by the Supreme Court. We will get the certified true copy of the judgment as a body. The body of State Attorneys General of the Federation will study it and then we'll come up with our statement on it. Thank you. My name is Dr. Ben Odo, the chairman of the body. Thank you. Yeah.
Well, the judgment just delivered by the Supreme Court has finally laid to rest the issue of allocation of funds to the local governments in Nigeria. Their lordships considered the matter and came to a conclusion that although Section 162, sub 5 and 6 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria makes provision that money due to local government shall be paid through the joint account, but that provision was considered to be a discretional provision, meaning it can be tinkered with. And in their lordship judgment, they said that is not mandatory. Their lordship came to a conclusion that money due to local government shall henceforth be paid directly from the federation account to the 774 local government and 6 municipal council in Abuja. So that laid the matter to rest today.
But are you scared that there may be implementation problems? Sometimes this judgment comes up and then the others may not really see the light of that. Since the court has even said it must be done henceforth, are you scared that the implementation might take time?
Well, to comment on the implementation would be mere speculative, and I am not in the position to speculate. I believe the state governors, the state governments will comply with the judgments. They will look at it and they'll do the needful. I won't comment on the speculative part.
Thank you.
I didn't get the question. Are there creations of the Constitution? If they are not included in the 774 local government and 6 6 councils in Abuja. But if they are created by the Constitution, then they will enjoy what Section 162, so 5 and 6, and the judgment of the Supreme Court today provided. Thank you very much. My name is Johnson Usman. I represent Attorney General of Borno State.
Gentlemen of the press, I'm Mr. Sito Kechuku. I'm a member of the All Progressive Congress. For me, today's judgment is historic and iconic judgment that has restored grassroots democracy, which our emperor governors had dampened for the last 25 years. I commend the Lord Justices of the Supreme Court for the judgment that have restored democracy to our grassroots. Because democracy almost disappeared from our rural communities when our governors appropriated the local government powers, rigged local government elections, mismanaged federal allocation. I commend President Tinubu and his Attorney General Lateef Fagbemi for this suit. We recall that President Tinubu had been in the vanguard of fighting for the autonomy of local government, even back when he was governor in Lagos. His efforts and perseverance have paid off today. And I urge all Nigerians to henceforth rise up and go back to your communities to make sure that your councillors and your local government chairman are accountable, because 20.6% of federal allocation will be useful in transforming our communities. All that will be needed in the supplement from the state and the federal government. But if we allow the 20.6% federal allocation to go down the drain, as the governors have done, then it will make this judgment meaningless.
In all the 774 local governments in Nigeria, our people can now see rapid development. So we just want to thank God Almighty for giving us a president like Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who has had the courage to take this step by coming to the proper place to say, let the proper interpretation be made to give life to the third tier. Enough of the intimidation by forces who do not want democracy to exist in Nigeria. Mr. President, we say thank you for being a true Democrat. Thank you for giving life to democracy in Nigeria. We will never forget these gifts you've given to us. We want to say that democracy can now work at the third tier, and Nigeria is on the movement of rising again. Dr. Nwanosike Samuel is my name.
My name is Ichak Oikoko. I am the Director General, the Association of Local Governments of Nigeria. Well, first of all, as far as I'm concerned, there's no winner, there's no loser. The Nigerian people will enjoy the benefits of good governance. I think this has been in the clamor for a long time. It's not personal. What is important is that the people will hold chairmen now more accountable, because the funds are going directly to them. And I think that it is time for us to move this discussion forward. For us, this is phase one. There is phase two.